If I had one piece of advice for beginning farmers, it would be, do not try to go at this alone. Farming is a very complex and sophisticated system. It's very difficult to be able to navigate through all of the different new technologies, the new programs, the new regulations. There's help out there, and you must tap into that help. That is the only way that you can stay sustainable and profitable in today's agricultural world. My name is Handy Kennedy. I am a fourth-generation farmer. We are a commercial cow-calf operator. We run about 200 head of cattle. We operate on about 1,200 acres. One of the challenges that I had was basically trying to raise value-added cattle or low-risk cattle. Most farmers, beginning farmers, they will start off with what we call high-risk cattle. And the reason why they consider high-risk cattle is because they don't have the genetics, they don't have the right herd management, they don't have the right forage management in place to make their farm profitable. So for me, I reached out to Fort Valley and other land-grant universities, University of Georgia, and they basically had subject matter experts that came out to my farm and visited my farm and helped me navigate through the process of creating what I consider low-risk cattle. I can demand more for my cattle now because I have a herd management program in place, I have a forage management program in place, I have a genetic management program in place, and I have a risk management program in place. One of the ways that I develop confidence, and I believe in mitigating risk at every cost, is by listening to the research and listening to the experts. I seeked out help from USDA, NRCS, FSA, the land-grant universities. So it's essential that beginning farmers connect with organizations that have experienced farmers in that area to help you become better at your farming operation and help you create a more value-added product for your consumers. Believe me, it will save you a lot of time and headache if you make that connection early in your adventure of farming, because all it takes is one or two bad decisions that could have been avoided, and it will cost your whole production or your whole vision or your whole farm to suffer profitability. And some of your best help is going to be peer-to-peer. Here at HKJ Ranch, we embrace supporting beginning farmers, because at one point in time we were all beginning farmers, and we like to be able to assist those farmers in order to be able to be productive and profitable and sustainable. And the way we do that is mentorship. We help them develop a business plan, because the business plan determines what the vision is for their farm, and then once they determine their vision, we can basically go and visit their farm and make sure that what they have a vision for is applicable for that farm. And so once we determine their vision, a good solid business plan, then we go into enterprise budgeting just to make sure it would work and be conducive to that farm. And then once we do that, then we develop a marketing plan. A marketing plan is basically going to help that particular beginning farmer be able to create a demand for their product. It's very important when you're in this business to start with the end in mind. And the end in mind allows you to basically understand the needs and the desires of your particular customer. Then you can work backwards and then start adding value to your products in order to ensure that it's going to meet the demands and the requirements that that customer is looking for. One of the reasons that a business plan, a marketing strategy, and an enterprise budget is important, because it gives the farmer an opportunity to have a target to aim at. If you have a target to aim at, you have more chance of being successful and help you build a roadmap to success. If you do not have these different plans in place, it's very difficult to be sustainable and profitable long term.